Let's focus on, or rather one corporate voice, let's focus on to another corporate voice then, and expecting that gold options can register a 30 to 40% turnover in the next 6 to 8 months. Mrugank Paranjape, who is the MD and CEO of MCX, told ET Now that their focus is currently to boost market participation. Listen in.
We have been consistently maintaining that we are not really projecting turnover numbers. Our focus is on participation, and as we have said, the options contract today gives an ideal product for even the smallest of the investors or the smallest of the hedgers to come onto the platform. So what we would want is that anybody who has an exposure to gold or anybody who wants to trade gold should be looking at this contract, and I think that expansion of the entire value chain is what we would really want to achieve. So if you ask me, I would be very happy with a 30-40% growth in our UCCs, as we call them, the unique client codes that trade on our exchange, right? The turnover is a natural corollary to something like that. Growth of the market is what I think all of us should be really bothered about.
Sir, how early do you see SEBI allowing the participation of institutional investors and mutual funds in the market?
So I think they have already allowed them, right? AIF Cat 3 is already allowed. Yes, mutual funds and PMS is next. The way in which SEBI has gone about very proactively introducing reforms in this market, it won't be far away. Okay, so I would expect that to happen very soon, but difficult to hazard a timeline. In fact, most of the times this year, I think the regulators have proven us wrong, and reforms have come in faster than what we thought they would be. So yes, we remain confident that mutual funds and PMS providers will come in soon as well.
So there have been certain concerns regarding certain tax issues when it comes to converting options into future contracts at the rate of settlement. Has there been any clarity on that particular issue as we go forward?
So at this point of time, since these are options on securities, they are treated at the same value as a security would be for the purpose of taxation. And yes, at the time of development, there will be a exercise related tax. It could be a concern for some participants. As of now, there is no change, but the regulators, all the market participants are in continuous dialogue. But some of these changes, as you know, especially when it comes to tax laws, also probably need a bigger change, and therefore one has to wait to see how that happens.